Uh, Hello guys, we are here in Quadratic A level. We are teaching this. So this is what we'll be doing in a nutshell. And yeah, it's gonna be the good stuff. Trust me. So here we are in the warm up. Uh, so you could do these three little questions, and you can tell me what you think of them. First of all, let's look at this. So the shape of the quadratic is a, a U shape. However, the the peak, you can see how it slants upwards. U shape open upwards if a is more than zero. Otherwise, downwards. This is the quadratic curve. And for this n, I believe you're talking about x to the power 3. We're talking about quadratics. The general form is ax to the power squared plus bx plus c. And the time is 2. And you can clearly see how minus 5, we have here minus 5 t plus 4. Here no, here we also have we divide by minus 5 t squared minus 4 t. And we have a t minus minus 4, and this will be the 0 points. However, we can see. Okay, we see t which you did get. We see the time. Time is 10, but actually, if you put 2 into the this height t, we have minus 5 times 2 squared, that means minus 20, plus 20 times 2. So this is minus 20 plus 40, which is equal to 20, not 10. So I'm afraid that the height is not correct. But the time is right. Yeah. So what you may have done is 2 plus 2 square 16 minus 2. I'm not sure how do I say this, but if you look at this square minus 4, A is equal to 1, B minus 4, is that we have 4 plus 4 would but in order to find the maximum, you could have also differentiated minus 10t plus 20 is equal to 0 and set 0 as the slope, and you find 20 is equal to 10t, so t is equal to 2, and this is how you get the time also. Yeah, so just use all the methods you can. Just use all the methods, but the point is that it is 2, and you can cross check to see if it is 2, because who knows what kind of slips you might make in exam conditions. It happens. It's better to make the mistakes here than in the exam. So you can look at the answers, and is either U or answer is U. U shape. And we're here. Recap, this is what we have as a completing a square. Is equal to plus C. So that means you have to subtract the b squared, like b over 2 squared thing. That's how you do it. And c plus c minus the term that we see here of because as you can see, if you have x plus b over 2 squared, and then you square this, you get x squared plus we have a 2ab, that means a 2a bx plus b over 2 squared, that means b squared over 4. That means we get this as it's how you complete the square. This is general form. In the exact solution, you maximize, minimize. You check with differentiation. It's easier than the completing the square. So you can look at how things are going, and when in doubt, you just try out the values, I guess. You just check with differentiation. Or differentiation, and complete square, use all methods. This includes differentiation. You can try to think of whatever methods you can use. It's a good intellectual exercise, even if there's not much academic value. And here is the break if you need it. If not, then that's fine. So don't need a break. Some people need it. Whether or not they have some kind of special needs or attention difficulties or physical issues, or let's just say they need a cigarette, they need to go out for a cigarette, then they may need a break. But if you don't need it, then that's fine. Exam questions. Here are the exam questions. You can try to do them with this, and use all of this for translation too. Yeah. So I hope that yeah, there was a bit of a technical issue, but it's fine. Ev- Things are fine. 5. Uh, first of all, I would like to say that 1 is correct. Wait, 1a. Let's look at x squared minus 8x and then plus 16 and 16 plus 16, and in order to get 11 you need to minus 5, not minus 15, so I'm not sure where you so that is so so hence find the exact solutions for let's minus and we can see, let's plus minus 6 is because 1 plus 5 you go to 6, and so you got that right. So I assume that your A is simply a typo because so I may give you the mark anyways. It intersect the point, say that for a you can see x plus 1 squared mine 1 squared is 1, that means minus 6. That means x plus 1, you get this squared minus x. Yeah, that should last she translated by x is minus 1. And if you translate it by 3 by minus 1, remember that x plus 1, that means minus 1, and this is x minus, you can x minus 6. So we have x is equal to minus 1 and y and when x is equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus x, translates by minus 1 3. That means x is equal to minus 2, so x plus 2 squared and 3, that means upwards, that means y is equal to minus 3. But we know that 2 squared is 4, that means minus 7. Wait, 3 up, one left and 3 up. But much no, much simpler is why am I doing this to myself? Why can't I just put x plus 1 x plus why can't I just put x plus 1 squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 5 minus 5 and remember that y is plus 3, so plus 3 do we have is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 4x. We have 1 and then 3 minus 5 is minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. So you can see A and B and C in our answer. So the main thing you should learn here is simply plus 1 and put it in the equation. I don't really think you should use the complete the square. Sometimes the most trivial answer is the best answer. So here you go, and you can look at the 5 given with x coordinates 0 and 3/4. The 0 is equal to 4x squared minus k plus half k squared. So we know that x is equal to 0. We know that equals x minus a. So if they intersect, I guess you can say that give these values. So first of all, I would have just put them in the sides, and you say I don't know, but when it is equal to 0, then you can see x is equal to 0, so you should see this half k squared is equal to minus a, which means that a is equal to minus half k squared, and we have 3/4 9/16 36/16 18/8 9/4. We have 9/4 minus 3/4 k of half k squared is equal to x minus a, and please substitute is equal to not x minus a, oh my god, 3/4 minus a, and you can see how we have 6/4. Are you kidding me? 6/4 minus 3/4 k plus half k squared is equal to half k squared, and you will cut this out. So that means 3/4 k is equal to 6/4. Cut out this, k is equal to 2. And with k is equal to 2, and minus 2 squared is 4, and minus half times 4 is minus 2, and we can find out that is minus 2. Yeah. So yeah, yeah, I'm a bit of a eccentric working style. And so what we put in is so what I do is just put some trivial things and I keep trying all the methods I know. When I see something that I'm not really familiar with, like this stuff, because it's been years since I did my A levels, you can see how I got put that as the equation, and when I put zero, it's very easy to put the find the a is equal to minus half k squared, and we know all this, and then you substitute and you use all the things you have. And also you should be more organized than this. I For example, you can look at, I'll probably try my best to highlight like this, and one. You can see how we have this result. And you can see how this is similar. We found this, and this is number 2 equation. There we go. So yeah, you can clearly. Oh, just this is a bit optional. You can do this if you want. For 35 and shell to solve for 100. I mean, you can do this, or you can just cool down. Why do you need to generalize? And any similarity to GCSE? This is a bit optional. So I think there are a few things you can learn from your problem solving. Not being the greatest, but you get there. To generalize. See you. Let's just end this.